To replace maintenance parts, select the maintenance icon. Scroll down and select Replace Maintenance Parts. To begin, select Start. Select How to. First, open the maintenance cover on the right. In the following steps, reach in from the front to replace the consumables. Do not reach in from the top, or ink may drip and stain the surroundings. Place your fingers in the indentations at the back of the wiper unit and pull it slightly forward. Lift up the wiper unit to remove it. After taking out the new wiper unit, use its packaging to wrap the wiper unit that was removed. Place the new wiper unit on the bracket and push it in until it clicks. Check the position of the flushing pad. Grab the tab and pull the flushing pad up slowly. Once the waste ink stops dripping, remove the used pad from the printer and place it on a metal tray. Insert the two hooks on the new flushing pad into the slots and push down until it clicks into place. Confirm that all the flushing pads are installed correctly. There is a risk that the flushing pad and the print head may make contact and be damaged. Put the flushing pad that was removed in the bag that is used to contain the new flushing pad. Once done, close the maintenance cover. Check the position of the air filters. Use 2 air filters in the following operations. Remove the air filter cover as shown. Remove the air filter. Install the new air filter. Attach the air filter cover by inserting its upper tabs. Once done, select Close. Ensure all covers are closed. Then select Yes.